Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to enable or disable clipboard history on Windows 11 or 10. In this video we will guide you through registry procedure. Here is how to do it. First click on the start button or press Windows logo key on the keyboard, then type registry. In the search results you will see registry editor, click on it to open it. If user account control prompts, click on the yes button. Here copy and paste hotkey underscore local underscore machine forward slash software slash policies slash Microsoft slash Windows and press enter on the keyboard. Here right click on the Windows key and select new key option. Name this newly key as system. Again right click on the system key, select new, divert 32-bit value, name it allow clipboard history. Press enter. You can copy this registry editor path from this video description. Okay, next you can double click on the allow clipboard history and set its value 0 to disable this feature, and you need to set value 1 to enable this feature. Whatever you want to do, enable or disable. To disable, enter 0, and to enable, enter 1 in value data field and then click on the OK button. Finally, reboot your PC to apply the changes.
Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.